Hey everyone, welcome back to MrWonderHow. Today, we're diving into Autodesk Maya to learn how to bevel edges like a pro. Beveling is an essential tool for creating smooth, realistic models, so stick around for some quick tips and tricks. Alright, let's jump in. First, make sure you have an object to work with. I'll use a simple cube for this demonstration. Press right-click Edge Mode. Click on an edge or Shift+click to select multiple edges. Go to Modeling menu, Edit Mesh, Bevel. Or use the shortcut Ctrl+B or Command+B on Mac. Boom. The edges are beveled, but let's tweak the settings. Segments, adds more divisions for a smoother look. Fraction and depth, controls how deep and wide the bevel spreads. Sometimes, you might see weird shading or overlapping faces. Use Mesh Cleanup to fix bad geometry. Check your normals, display, polygons, face normals, to see if they're flipped. If beveling acts weird, try Freeze Transforms. Modify Freeze Transforms before applying. And that's it. You now know how to bevel in Maya like a pro. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more game dev tutorials. Also, check out my Patreon for source files and exclusive content. Link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy modeling.